Do you want to know how to clean your brushes? Thank you for watching. All you need to clean your brushes is a brush cleansing mat, like that one from Primark. I don't remember how much it costs, but about €2, I guess. And any baby shampoo. And of course, your dirty brushes. So that brush is pretty dirty. Normally it has like a white beige color of the hairs, but now it's all red. So I'm gonna show you that just with the mat and water, of course, and the shampoo, everything is gonna be gone and the brush will be brand new again. So all you need to do is place your mat in the sink, pour a little bit of the shampoo, get some water, dip your brush in the shampoo and just start moving it around on the mat. With time you will see that the colors just start to vanish and your brush becomes cleaner and cleaner. If you use your brush to do makeup only once, it's gonna be way easier for you to clean it. If you haven't been cleaning your brushes for very long time, you might have to do it a few times to get all the product and dirt out of your brushes. Already several times I mentioned about using clean brushes, right? That's not only good for the health of your skin and appearance of your skin, but also for makeup application. If you have all these colors, first of all, if you apply any other eyeshadows, like this color, it will transfer on your eyelids and your makeup will never look nice and perfect and seamless how you want it to. And the same thing with the foundation brushes. If you've been using your foundation brush for weeks and months and years and never cleaned it, you know, there is product that stays on that brush and it just makes it harder for you to apply your foundation on your skin. And the same with every other part of your makeup routine. So it's super important that you are using clean tools. Once all your brushes are clean, just place them in a dry place in your house, in your room, not in the bathroom, somewhere where it's drier so that your brushes can dry down. Don't use your brushes when they are wet, because again, you know, that's not good for the application and everything. Let them dry down first before you use them again. Overnight should be more than enough. Thank you for watching and until next time.